In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Copilot in Windows using Microsoft Intune. We'll start in the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Once you're signed in, we're going to create a new configuration profile so we can centrally manage the Copilot experience on Windows devices. Head to Devices, then Windows, then Configuration Profiles, and choose Create Policy. This is where we define the platform and the type of policy we want to build. For the platform, select Windows 10 and later. For the profile type, choose Settings Catalog, then click Create. The Settings Catalog gives you an organized list of configurable Windows settings without having to manage custom templates. Next, let's add the specific setting we need. Give your policy a clear, descriptive name and a helpful description, so you and your team know exactly what it does later. In the Settings Catalog, use the search box and type Windows AI. Open the Windows AI category and locate the setting called Turn Off Copilot in Windows. This is the key setting we'll configure. Now here's the important part. The setting name is phrased as Turn Off Copilot in Windows, so setting it to Enabled will actually disable or hide Copilot. If your goal is to turn Copilot off for users, set the toggle to Enabled. If you want Copilot available, set the toggle to Disabled, or leave it not configured if you prefer the default operating system behavior. This wording can be counterintuitive, so double-check your choice before moving on. With the setting configured, it's time to decide who gets this policy. Add a scope tag if your organization uses them for role-based targeting or administrative separation. Then assign the policy to an Azure AD group that contains the users or devices you want to manage. If you're unsure which to target, device groups are great for consistent device behavior, while user groups follow the person across devices. It's a good practice to start with a small pilot group to validate the outcome before broad deployment. Finally, review everything. Confirm the platform is Windows 10, and later, the profile type is Settings Catalog, the Windows AI category is included, and the Turn Off Copilot in Windows setting is configured as intended. When you're satisfied, click Create. After creation, Intune will deliver the policy at the next device check-in. Allow some time for propagation, and remember that availability of Copilot can also depend on OS version and regional features. That's it. Simple, repeatable, and centrally managed with Intune.